Why can't you make the Chinese progress you've always wanted to make, and why are you frustrated? This video is for you if you are studying Chinese on your own and you just sick and tired of trying everything. So, it probably has to do with your lack of clear and specific goals. Here's the example I get on Instagram almost all the time. I want to speak fluent Chinese. No, that's too vague. You have no target, therefore you will always miss that goal and never achieve it. Fluency in Chinese, first of all, what does that even mean for you? Get specific. Second of all, Chinese has speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Which one do you want to be fluent in? Let me walk you through clarifying your goal right now. Like this video if it's helping you. Now let's choose writing. I want to be fluent in writing. What does that even mean? Do you want to write books? That's one thing. Do you want to just be able to write your name in Chinese? I can help you do that by tomorrow. Completely different deal. Let's pretend you say you want to be able to write in a journal about your day-to-day activities, which is a good goal and a very good task for improving your Chinese. Well, what do you do then in your day-to-day life? Now you're starting to understand the vocabulary you might need if you like to eat cereal and then you go to work.
Let's go to work.
And then you come home and you play chess because you like chess. Well, you know the vocabulary you need to learn now and the kinds of sentences you need. And this step-by-step methodical breaking down of your goal will help you actually achieve the goal. Let's keep going further now that you know you want to write about your day-to-day life and what you do. How do you start? Well, you probably have to start with learning certain words before you even can learn certain phrases, right? So let's make your goal first learn the characters for eating cereal, going to work, and chess. Of course, you get specific because you know your job and I don't know your job. Once you can write those characters, then you gotta string together the simple phrases. This is the kind of step-by-step methodical approach I do inside of the DIY Chinese challenge. And you're gonna get accountability partners that will help you keep going because psychology says if somebody depends on you, you will make more progress towards your goal. In addition to hanging out with me week by week live and learning what I would do if I had to start over, learning Chinese from zero, and getting coaching for your specific questions as you make sense of all the resources out there and put together your plan so you can finally make progress that you've always wanted to. There is a link in the descriptions below to join the DIY Chinese challenge. No, it's not free, but it's cheaper than having one simple Starbucks Americano coffee every day for a whole month. But what you get is the satisfaction of finally moving towards your goals. I can say that confidently because the people in my current DIY Chinese challenge are getting so much good progress and they're happy. Head down to the link below and join up. I can't wait to help you with your progress inside of the DIY Chinese challenge. Learn real Chinese, communicate, and have fun.